Hello बच्चों, good evening. Welcome to 5 Minutes Physics. My name is SR Prusty and you are watching my beautiful channel Love You Sense. Just give me 5 minutes. I'll explain in detail different way of charging. There are three different way of charging. So there are three different way of charging by which a body can be charged. So first is robbing, second is conduction, third is induction. पहले डिस्कस करते हैं robbing क्या होता है. Robbing is a process by which a insulating body will be getting charged for small interval of time. So rubbing takes place in case of insulator. Usually insulator में rubbing होता है. If you rub a insulating body with another insulating body, then electron can jump from one body to another body. So the body which will collect the electron will act as negative charge, and the body which will give the electron will act as positive charge body. So here I have taken example that there are two body, both are insulating material. So due to frictional force, electron can jump from one body to another body. Here I have mentioned electron jump from A to B. B to A भी हो सकता है, that depends on the electronic configuration. So यहाँ पे electron is jumping from A to body. So जहाँ से electron जा रहा है that will act as positive charge body, और जहाँ electron जा रहा है that will act as negative charge body. So there are some example you have to remember. If glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth, both are insulated. So glass rod will behave as positive charge body and silk cloth will behave as negative charge body. That means electron is jumping from glass rod to silk cloth. Similarly, another example, woolen cloth and umber rod. So electron will jump from woolen cloth to umber rod. So woolen cloth will act as positive charge body and umber rod will act as negative charge body. Similarly, other two example, hair and comb, cat skin and ebonite rod. So that is all about rubbing. Okay. So next is conduction. Conduction किसमें होता है? Conduction takes place in conductor. So the another point you remember, there must be a physical connectivity or physical connection between two conductor. So here I have mentioned two conductor, one is positively charged body, other is neutral. So if neutral is getting touched with positive charge body, after certain time neutral body will act as positive charge body. ठीक है. Similarly और एक example देखो, if neutral body is getting touched with negative charge body, after certain time neutral body will act as negative charge body. तो इसमें क्या मिल रहा है, देखो कंक्लूजन क्या मिल रहा है. सो कंडक्शन इज ए काइंड ऑफ प्रोसेस बाय व्हिच सिमिलर चार्ज विल बी डेवलप. देखो ये पॉजिटिव, ये न्यूट्रल, न्यूट्रल कुछ टाइम के बाद पॉजिटिव हो गया. सिमिलरली ये न्यूट्रल, ये नेगेटिव, न्यूट्रल कुछ टाइम के बाद नेगेटिव हो रहा है. मतलब सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ चार्ज विल बी डेवलप इन केस ऑफ कंडक्शन. सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट कंडक्शन. नेक्स्ट इंडक्शन. इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इंडक्शन क्या होता है? देखो इंडक्शन इज ए काइंड ऑफ टेम्पररी इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन प्रोसेस बाय व्हिच ऑपोजिट चार्ज विल बी सेट अप और डेवलप. So here I mentioned the definition. Opposite charges appears at the closer end and similar charge appears at the further end in the presence of nearby charge body. So in induction में क्या होता है? There is no physical connection between two conductors, but opposite charge can be developed. See, I have taken example here. I have taken two body. One is neutral, other is negative charge body. So if I keep a negative charge body near to the neutral body, then the positive charge of that neutral body will be attracted towards the negative charge of negatively charged body. So देखो ये positive attract हो रहा है and the negative charge of the neutral body will be repelled by the negative charge of negatively charged body. देखो ये negative charge repel हो रहा है and positive charge क्या हो रहा है? Attract हो रहा है. ठीक है. Okay, next क्या हो रहा है? देखो, if I connect the further end to the ground through a connecting wire, then electron will transfer to the ground. Then only positive charge will be left. Clear? So now if I remove the negative charge body, that positive charge will be uniformly distributed. Okay, so that means we have a neutral body initially, finally we get what? A positively charged body. So opposite charge will be developed. Is it clear? Again I repeat, देखो इसमें क्या हो रहा है? एक neutral body, यहाँ पे एक negative charge body. So negative charge will be repelled by this negative charge and the positive charge will be attracted by this negative charge. So positive charge will accumulate in the nearest end and negative charge will accumulate at the farthest end. Then अगर इस grounded हो गया through a connecting wire, electron will flow to the ground. Then only positive charge will left. Now if I remove this negative charge body, then that positive charge will be uniformly distributed on that sphere, on that body. Then that final body will act as positive charge body. सो कंक्लूजन क्या मिला, हमारे पास एक न्यूट्रल बॉडी था तो फाइनली क्या मिला, एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज बॉडी मिला. सो दैट इज इंडक्शन प्रोसेस. इज इट क्लियर? आई होप इट इज क्लियर. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.